Hey guys, how you doing? How you doing? I'm fine. A little frustrated, but I'm fine. Woo! Let me explain the frustration. Okay. I told you I had my brake set of lights on the dash go off and my oil light, right? Well, I thought I got it fixed. Apparently not. What, hon? What? Oh my goodness. What? Okay. Yeah, I love you too. I love you. Yeah, I do. Anyway, I'm driving along, minding my own business, and I hear ping. The oil light goes on again. And then my brake lights, what is that? ESP, that whole group of little lights come on. I'm thinking, are you freaking kidding me? And I said, you know what? And excuse my language, I said, fuck you, I'm driving you anyway. Sorry, but that's how I can't deal with it anymore. I've dealt with this for months, and between the brakes and this oil thing, I'm thinking, okay, I'm running this van into the ground, okay? It brakes fine. There's not the oil. I keep checking the oil, and there's nothing wrong with it. So it's got to be a sensor or something. So I'm not gonna worry about it. What? 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 Oh my gosh. I'm not paying attention to you. Is that it? Yeah. Huh? Yeah. Okay. That's that. Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to scare you. Didn't mean to scare you. You're so touchy. Chickamauga battlefield in Fort Ogle or Ogle something. It ends up being in Georgia, right across the state line, basically, from Tennessee. Anyway, went there. Now, I got out of the Welcome Center, and I felt weird, okay? Just felt weird. I didn't feel like I was at a park or, like you go to, like the Smoky Mountain Park or whatever. I didn't feel like that. I felt like I was on, well, TJ said sacred ground. And, I felt like I should whisper, like I was in a library, but, I'm out in the middle of nowhere, and it's a bunch of fields and stuff. So, Sammy, as soon as we got in the park, he starts growling, okay? And it's not just your rah, 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 rah. He's like, rrr. And he was upset. And he only usually does that if he smells a skunk or something, or he sees a raccoon or a possum, all right? He's ready to throw down. And so he was doing that. If he wasn't doing that, he was crying. And I'm thinking, what is wrong? So I took him to the potty several times. And the loop in this battlefield 7 miles long. So we didn't cover half of it, all right? He would not calm down. And but I'll tell you, I didn't get anything because of him. I guess I'm going to have to go ghost hunting alone. Yeah, I'm talking to you. Um, he's just gonna, he's gonna be a wreck. So, but the thing of it is now there was no reenactment thing going on today at all. It was crowded there, a lot of traffic, a lot of people walking around. Didn't see anything out of the ordinary, but I did hear something. And I thought I heard gunfire. Okay, this is a national park. You're not supposed to have firearms in a national park. And it wasn't a regular gunfire like from a shotgun or a 38 or a 357 or a 9mm, whatever. It's not that. It kind of went poof, poof, but you could tell it was a gun. That was one sound I heard. Then another sound I heard was drumming. Someone like doing cadence drumming on one drum. And I thought, I don't see anybody with it. I don't see anybody with a drum, and I'm looking all over the field. Now I know in the mountains, your sound travels, but this was just a little weird. So I'm not saying it was supernatural or anything. I'm just saying I heard some noise. It was one of the few times there wasn't any cars zooming by. Oh my God, what a friggin' nightmare. I'm gonna come back here in the winter. I ought to really have a good time in the winter, because I can't believe anyone else would come, or not too many people would come here in the winter time. So that's my deal. Sorry I didn't have anything to show you today. I might go back tomorrow depending on him, because we ended up staying right here in Chattanooga area, and I had to do it, people. I had to do it. Del Taco, baby. Del Taco. Woo. It's as good as I remembered. I haven't had a Del Taco in, oh my God, when did I leave Orlando? 2010. Yeah, 2010 is the last time I had a Del Taco, I think. I went by a Del Taco when I went out west, but I don't think I ate there. But yeah, it was good, and their fries were awesome. But that was lunch and dinner, so if I get hungry a little later, it's 10:05. If I get hungry, I will just have some crackers and peanut butter and jelly. Yeah. So anyway, that's about it for now. So I will get back with you tomorrow. So take it easy. Take the long way home. Woo-hoo.